Have you moved, or are you planning on moving, and you're wondering what do I do with my health insurance? Then stay tuned to this video, because I'm going to go over exactly what you need to do to get your health insurance switched over to the new state, okay? And so make sure you stay to the end, because I have a free gift that I would like to give to you, okay? And so if you are new to me, to the channel, or to any of my content in social media land, my name is Katrice-Daniels, and I am a licensed health and life insurance broker. And I help African Americans to navigate their health and life insurance options, and then purchase affordable, comprehensive health and life insurance. And I am also the founder of Insure Black America, which is my community initiative, and that is to close the coverage gap in insurance for African Americans. And so let's talk about it. So you've decided that you wanted to move, or you have moved, and you are wondering, what do I do about my health insurance? How do I get everything switched over? Okay. And so if you are with the marketplace, okay, you would need to go log into your marketplace account, and you would need to report a change. And then after you report a change, you would choose, that you've moved to a new state, okay? You're going to have to do a new application, okay? Fill out the application just like you did the first time, and then you'll get your eligibility, okay? And then it will prompt you to, at that point, you can go into the exchange and you can start purchasing a new plan, okay? Now, if you... There is you do have 60 days, okay? So you moving to a new state gives you what's called a special election period, which means you have 60 days to enroll into coverage, okay? So to pick a new plan in your new state, okay? Now, the caveat to that is that you have to have had insurance for at least one of the 60 days prior to your move. So if you say you moved to another state but you didn't have insurance, okay, then you wouldn't be eligible to use that special election period, okay? So just letting you know that. So say you moved and you have insurance, but say your family didn't have insurance, you would be able to get a new plan. Your family wouldn't. Hope that makes sense. And so because you have to have had the coverage for at least, the family would have had to also have the coverage, okay? And also if you're on marketplace and you have you're in the bronze metal level, you can't, when you move, you won't be able to jump to a new metal level, okay? You'll have to stay at that same metal level until open enrollment, and then in open enrollment you can switch metal levels and go up to silver or gold or platinum if it's offered in your area, okay? Now, if you are moving to a state that does not use healthcare.gov, okay, they have their own marketplace exchange, insurance exchange, okay, then you're gonna have to reach out to them and see what the process is for applying for them, and then fill out an application with their marketplace and go through their process, okay? Then you're also going to have to go back to healthcare.gov. Once you go through and you do everything with the state marketplace, go back to healthcare.gov and cancel your application with healthcare.gov, because you can't get subsidy in both places, okay? Which you wouldn't need the healthcare.gov application anymore because you have it through the state exchange, okay? So let's see, that's that. And so if you have private or short-term health insurance, you would need to call the company and you would need to let them know that you have moved, you switched states, First, find out if they'll let you know whether or not they insure in the state that you are moving to. Okay, and if they do not, then you are going to want to find a company that does insure within the state that you're moving to. Look at their plans and find one that is comparable to what you currently have. Okay, and then once you find a plan and you get enrolled in that plan, then you're going to want to call the other insurance company and cancel your policy with them. Okay. So that's what you would do if you had Marketplace, and then if you had a short-term plan. Okay. And so if you are, and another thing, if you moved, okay, and say you had your health insurance coverage through your job, and then you moved and you're not working that job anymore, and so now you're needing to get coverage through the Marketplace, you can use that Move SCP. Okay, just want to put that out there as well. Okay. And so I hope you found this information valuable and useful. And if you did, please do give it a thumbs up and share it out with others so they can find usefulness in the information as well. Now, if you have any questions about getting your insurance switched over, or if you are looking to get insurance, you can schedule a free insurance consultation with me. Where I'll go through your health needs, go through how much you are wanting to spend to cover your health needs, and then we'll come up with a comprehensive plan based on your budget. Okay, based on my assessment. Okay, and so that is that. You can do so. The link will be in the description of this video and also on the channel homepage in my link tree. Okay, and so until next time, have an amazing rest of your day, and remember that together we can close the coverage gap for African Americans. Have a good one.